Okay, thank you very much. You're here to see my profile and a work history from a profile. Okay, I just want to share a work project history. That was a project of the web research and lead generation in together. That was research regarding the partial oriented yarn and drawn textured yarn in Ethiopia, Kenya, and Nigeria in these three countries. And my focus was to collect 70% data from the garment sector and 30% data from the home textile section, home textile industry. So this was a really challenging job for both research and lead generation because the people from the Africa's country like Ethiopia, Kenya, and Nigeria, they don't very much tech friendly and they don't use LinkedIn too much. So that was a difficult project for me. However, I was able to successfully complete the project and I gathered the list from every country, Kenya, Ethiopia, and Nigeria, and 30 companies, manufacturing company from each country. And the product was basically focusing on the garment sector and home textile products. And if I show you the some products name, that was the men's clothing, the sportswear, the sleepwear, the swimming wear, medical scarf. I mean, the all the related to the cotton and dress and fabrics, and these are the major focus of the industry. That these were the key product, and I had to collect the company revenue, job title, and some key person and their business email address. So that was basically both lead generation and web research from my perspective. And this is for the Ethiopia, and this is for the Nigeria. This was very much challenging project, but I had completed it successfully, and I gave all the necessary leads and manufacturers a list, and the project completed successfully. So, if you need any kind of web research and lead generation project, I hope you will get me to help on your project. So please knock me for any kind of this kind of projects. Thank you very much. Bye.